but I just want to let you know we're on our way to Noah's house. We're going to be working on the Chevelle, a car that we're going to be introducing to you very shortly. So stay tuned and watch the whole video so you can see what's going on with that car. He's already got it all torn apart, so that'll be interesting, but on my way. All right, guys, we just got to Noah's. We're about to start working on the car. This is the Chevelle that he bought, guys. It's a 69. It's pretty nice. It's definitely upgrading. His cars are getting nicer and nicer. But right now, currently, the interior is...
We're doing a full custom interior right now, adding speakers, radio, Dakota Digital Gauges, custom Suede dash. I tried the headliner, but it came out shit. So I'm gonna have to work on the headliner.
Yeah. We didn't go to school for this, guys. We're just doing this because we like it. But yeah, I helped him wrap that. I used some of the experience I got from El Jaguar over there. So we're just gonna take you along through working on the car today. I think we're gonna be installing these eBay subs, which hopefully they thump by the end of the day.
This is the eBay special, $200. It comes with an enclosure, two 12-inch subs, all the wires, and an amp. So we'll see how well it turns out. It had good reviews, good YouTube videos. I'm not, crazy on that kind of stuff. I'd rather put the money into the LS swap, but I thought, a sub is better than no sub.
Do you want to show them the motor that's in it now?
Yeah, the motor's... So many cars, I always forget how to open up the hood.
It's been a few months, guys. He's got a lot more cars now, but it's a nice crate 350.
It's a crate 350. Put those valve covers on, it looks nice. Nothing too special. Headers
need to be definitely painted, but I mean, otherwise it looks really nice. Got the nice aluminum plating, and yeah, looks good. But this is LS hopefully in the future.
So yeah, that's the plan. And we got Wilwood brakes that we'll be putting up front sometime soon. They're somewhere in this garage.
I think they're right here. This thing's gonna be pretty sweet when we're done with a nice Canyon Cruiser. But he just installed the, I don't know if they're in the car right now. Yep, the Dakota Digital Gauges, which are super cool. But all right, we'll keep you guys updated throughout the day.
So the gauges are in, they're all wired. I'm just focusing on rewiring the radio. The wires that were connected to the radio weren't done properly, so it wouldn't save the controls. But look at this. We got our Dakota Digital Gauges. All the gauges work, all the senders are in place. So that's very nice.
What steering wheel's gonna go on the car?
I have a red Suede, made in Italy Momo steering wheel.
It seems awfully not like for a Chevelle.
Yeah, but it'll be cool because it'll go with the red Suede that we're going with.
Yeah, and this is gonna get all buttoned up. It's just needs to be glued down.
Several days later.
All right, guys, here is an update. It's a few days later.
So the car's reassembled for now.
Mostly.
Still got to put the things holding the headliner in.
Yeah, the headliner needs some work.
It needs a lot of work. It didn't come out right.
Thing is looking clean. Definitely quite the cruiser, man.
Yeah, I love the full red interior.
It's definitely an upgrade for sure. Definitely an upgrade from the Daimler.
Yeah, for sure. The insulation made the car feel a whole lot more smooth and solid.
Yeah, full kill mat throughout.
That was definitely a good choice.
Little squeaky brakes.
Yeah, we got the drum brakes right now. The Wilwoods are up next.
Wilwoods are going on in a few weeks, guys.
Well, probably this weekend we'll start working on it.
Oh, is that a Julia right there? Julia with a big wing. There we go. There. Beautiful sound. Sounds like America, if you ask me.
You can hear the bald eagles.
Yeah, I can hear them. Alright guys, we just got back. I think we're going to close out the video here. Stay tuned because we are going to be doing brakes on this car very, very soon. So hopefully that will help the squeaking and the, like that, and the lack of stoppage power. So they're 4-piston Wilwoods, which should be plenty for the amount of horsepower this car has. So we'll see you in the next one.